Let's talk about Conditional Sentences Type I. The structure of Conditional Sentences Type I is if, simple present, simple future. The tense in the if clause is in the simple present, and the tense in the main clause is in the future, with will. The if clause expresses a condition, and the main clause expresses the results. For example, if something happens, something else will happen. In Conditional Sentences Type I, the condition is possible to fulfill. Another example is, if it rains, we won't go to the beach. If I study, I will pass the exam. Or, I will pass the exam if I study. You can take the quiz and try to check your knowledge about this subject. Thanks for watching.